In the mists of antiquity, Europe emerged from the Bronze Age, ushering in an era marked by profound transformations. The Iron Age dawned, bringing with it a new age of innovation, warfare, and societal change. Celts, Gauls, and Germans inhabited the vast lands of Europe, their lives intertwined with the earth and its bounties. They lived in small, closely knit communities, their homes built from wood and thatch, their tools forged from iron and bronze. Yet, the tranquility of the Iron Age was about to be shattered by forces beyond their control. The Atlantic Ocean, a barrier for so long, began to recede, exposing the vast and fertile lowlands of Europe to invaders from across the sea. The arrival of the Celts and the Greeks brought new ideas, technologies, and conflicts to the European continent. These newcomers, driven by conquest and commerce, established colonies and trading posts, expanding the reach of their empires. In the heart of Europe, the Hallstatt culture flourished, known for its rich burials and elaborate artifacts. Ironworking was a prized skill, and master craftsmen were revered for their ability to shape the raw metal into weapons, tools, and ornaments. But the peace was short-lived. As the Iron Age progressed, the Celtic tribes began to fracture, fighting among themselves for resources and territories. The wars grew more frequent and brutal, with entire villages destroyed, and lives lost in the name of conquest. In the midst of this chaos, a new power emerged, Rome. The Roman Republic, built on the foundations of a military empire, began to expand its reach, conquering the Italian peninsula and eventually setting its sights on the rich lands of Europe. The epoch of the Iron Age was marked by the rise and fall of empires, the clash of cultures, and the birth of new societies. As the Roman armies marched across the continent, they left behind a legacy that would shape the course of European history for centuries to come. The Iron Age, with its tales of heroism, tragedy, and transformation, serves as a testament to the indomitable spirit of the people who forged Europe in the fires of iron and steel. It is a period that forever changed the course of European history, laying the foundation for the civilizations that would follow.